All right, wall tiles going up. Let's show you our setup here. We have a patio with our cobalt for our notch cuts. We love this cobalt. Cordless, quick stop, works really good. Got the AC unit running. It's a little warm today, so it's nice to have some air. Keeps us fast and efficient. They are not using this bedroom, so we took the bedroom over for the duration of this project. We've got a Monolith 24-inch 12 by 24s. We're gonna wrap our cutoffs on the adjacent walls. So tiles going up right now. We're gonna tag team this, get everything going up fast. This should be a 2-day shower tile project, and then we grout. So let's go. I think it's a cool little tool for like 15 bucks. I mean,
yeah, just you gotta keep this clean, otherwise it's no better than the edge of the bucket.
Totally. So yeah, we're digging this scrape tool with the magnets. Scrape off your trowel, your margin. Great spot for your margin right there as well. So very cool tool, 15 bucks. I think it's gonna be well worth it. We just have to keep it clean so it doesn't get all gunked up with thinning. All right, so these right here, right 6, are the cutoffs of the back wall tiles so that any kind of movement or veins flow from the back wall to this wall. So let's hit the edges to get them looking factory with our 60 grit diamond hand pad. So again, this is right 2, second row up, right side of the wall. And that, my friends, is the cutoff to this tile here. So that, again, veins and movement will flow from one wall to another. That's why it's good to have more than one diamond hand pad. One in the shower remodel area, one near where you cut, so you can hit the cut edge as well. Alrighty guys, time to prep and grout. Remove all the clips and wedges, pull the cardboard off the pan, get everything nice, clean, prepped, wiped down, grout joints clear. Bring up our grout machine, which cleans all of our sponges, quick and easy. It'll speed up the time. All right, guys, shower is grouted. We have to do a bit of touch-up grout. Polish everything out. We're going to seal this rock a second time behind the niche as well as the pan. Everything is coming together. A few last-minute items. We're going to install the shower head trim kit. We have a grab bar going right here into studs, and then we install the shower door, which is the old shower door, so we might have to cut down the header over here. So let's do what we gotta do, finish everything up, finalize this remodel, pack our tools, load the trailer, go to the dump, and then enjoy a really nice long lunch with a cold beer.
A few moments later.
Shower is complete. Everything is tested. Good pitch towards the drain. We ripped out a failing shower. It was leaking down at the pan. Our client is very happy. We just now installed the glass doors, our trim kit, shower head as well. Let's start with the field wall tile, 12 by 24, rectified porcelain at a 50% offset, trimmed out with a Schluter Jolly. Back wall has a 12 by 20 niche. Nice, clean, tight miters. We installed a grab bar as well. Proper pitch and slope down to the drain. We have a dry pack here. Cut flat river rock with our Latticrete drain grate. Brushed nickel. Our trim is a brushed chrome via Schluter. Same rocks behind the niche to tie everything in. Fantastic look. Waterproof shower. 20-year guarantee. We're very happy. Our client is very happy. And that's it for this build. Moving on to the next one. As per usual, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Tap the bell icon for future videos like this. Smash that like button, it really does help. And I'll see you guys on the next one.